I think one of the most significant differences between so-called artificial intelligence and genuine human cognition is the absence of intentionality in these artificial intelligence algorithms. When a machine answers your question, as the philosopher Peter Kraft has so colorfully put it, there's no one there. You cannot infer the existence of an intentional agent simply from these outward behavioral manifestations. So even though the artificial intelligence may generate an answer to your question, there's nobody there. Artificial intelligence doesn't have a first-person perspective or self-consciousness, even if it can produce sentences like, I want to do this or that, I want to do something else. It can produce those behavioral manifestations, but there isn't any person there, any first-person agent that is producing them.